All right. Company finds that the marginal profit in dollars from drilling a well that is X feet deep is given by this equation. So, what is the profit when a well 250 feet deep is drilled? That's what we have to find. So, what is the marginal profit? The marginal profit is given by dP over dx, right? That is P prime x. P prime x is dP over dx, and that is given as cube root of x. This means that dP will be equal to cube root of x, which means that x raised to 1 over 3 dx. That's what we have. And all we have to do is integrating both the sides. So integration from 0 to p of dP, that is equal to integration of x raised to 1 over 3 dx from 0 to x. I'm sorry, 0 to 250, because we are digging a 250 feet deep well. So that is the profit P which we have to find, and that is equal to, the integration is going to be x raised to 4 over 3 over 4 over 3 within the limits of 0 to 250. So the 4 over 3 in denominator is just going to come out as 3 over 4. And the upper limit, if we place, that's going to be 250 raised to 4 over 3. The lower limit is just 0. So that's where the calculator comes in. So 250 raised to 4 over 3 times 3 over 4 is going to come out as 1181.18. That is the required profit in dollars. Thank you.